Hello, hi friends. My name is Rajendra Ashok Deshmukh. Today's date is 31st March 2022. Today's video topic is history of Java programming language. Let's now we can see history of Java programming language. History of Java programming language is very interesting. History of Java programming language is very interesting and designed interactive televisions. The history of Java programming language start with a green team. The members of developer team is known as green team. In developed language is used to digital devices such as a set-top box televisions. The principle of Java programming language is simple programming language. Java programming language is robust. Java programming language is portable. Java programming language is platform independent. Java programming language is multi-threaded. Java programming language is a secure programming language than compared to other programming language. Java programming language is developed by James Gosling in 1991. James Gosling, known as the father of Java programming language. Initially, this language was developed small embedded applications like such as electronic set-top box and televisions. Is used to initially embedded applications. After James Gosling, Patrick Newton, and Mac Clinton are releasing Java programming project releasing Java programming project in 1991. Firstly called Green Top language. The language of Green Top file extension is GT. After his Green Top is called Oak by the James Gosling. Why is called Oak? Let's see. Oak is a symbol of strength, and oak is a name of tree in other countries like in America, Russia, Japan. After this name is renamed name Oak to Java. This name is renamed by James Gosling because while having a cup of coffee in the office, the name is really Java. Is this the history of Java? We can see the version of Java. First version is released by JDK Alpha Beta in 1995. And almost version is available today. Second version is JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 version are released by 1996. Third version is JDK 1.1. This is version are released by 1997. Till now there are lots of versions are available on the Google. Still up to lots of versions are available in a Google platform. These are the versions of Java. Thank you everyone to listening and watching History of Java.